Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft account by using your PC and laptop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you got to open up your favorite browser, be Google Chrome, Brave right here, Firefox, Opera, Edge, whatever. Okay, you got to open it up and just wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and go to the very top, and let's just go ahead and type down create a Microsoft account. Hit on enter. Now click on create your Microsoft account. Now in here it says enter your email, so go ahead and type down your email address. It could be Gmail or Outlook. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and type down my email right here, and then I'm going to hit on next. Wait for it to load, and then once it loaded, it will give you a verification code to the specific email that you just enter. Okay, so go ahead and open up that email address, and then you should receive email. And then paste it, Control V. There you go. Now add in some details. For example, which country or region and your birth date. After that, just click on next. Now add in your first name and last name. And after that, just click on next. Now it says here, let's prove that you're a human. There will be some verification process right here. Just follow simple prompts, okay? It says here, press and hold, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to press and hold until it's done. And then after that, all you got to do is just press on OK in the next prompt. And then after that, you now have your Microsoft account. That is it. That's how simple it is to create a Microsoft account in your PC or laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.